Good morning. Hello and welcome back to Ms. Zuniga's classroom. Today we're going to be working on some words and sounds for Reading Mastery Program Lesson 112. Let's go ahead and take a look at these sounds. Here we go. Listen. Th, k, p, sh, k, o, aw. Now we're going to move on to some words. Here is an irregular word. We say it like this. R. When these two sounds are together, they make the pirate sound. R. Let's sound that out again. Get ready. R. Next word. This word rhymes with R. Let's think about it. Sound it out. Car. What word? Car. Next word. This word rhymes with R. Sound it out.